Today we're inside a Renegade Valencia 35MB. This small Super C is only 36 feet long. It has tons of storage space, a split bathroom with a large corner shower, washer and dryer, large sofa to relax with storage above, booth dinette with storage underneath, bunk over cab and gorgeous cab area, full-size residential appliances, and even more storage space in the kitchen. Come check out the outside and take a test drive at Dillon's RV Center, New Jersey's #1 RV dealer, located at 2190 Delsea Drive in Sewell, New Jersey. And here we are on the outside. You can see the gorgeous color scheme. Nice gray with some graphics, painted right in, full body paint. Lots of storage bay compartments. And on your patio side, there's even an outside entertainment center. Come by today to check it out for yourself.